right, y'all, we're gonna drag race these cars real quick. We got 2 XTRs. One's a Muraco, one's a Kronos. So, am I calling it? All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. I got him. You doing too many wheelies. It's kind of slippery out here, so we're gonna do it one more time. We got a little audience over here watching. Make sure no cars coming. Safety first. All right, we're gonna go on 3. 1, 2, 3. I got him again. He wheeling too much. I got him. He already flipped me once. The winner. We're gonna do 2 out of 3. You gonna go one more time? All right. Everybody filming us too, and we got an audience back here. All right, we're gonna go again on 3. 1, 2, 3. I got him. He got too much power. Whoa, those sides of that wall. He got too much power in that Kronos. Oh, he blew the wheel out again. That's the one that blew earlier. So not only did it blow, look at that, it ripped. That's all right. We just gonna go over and have some fun. Wanted to show that to you guys real quick.